Okay, so you just keep working up the head. So work from the bottom, work your way up, that way you get just clean sections, okay? And then the more comfortable you get, you can take bigger sections if you want. So just rip through the knots first, okay?
Excuse me, my phone's gonna die.
It's okay, you got lots of time. You're good, keep working. So comb from the root till the tangles bunch up. Place Tanglegripper in front of the knots and make sure all the hair is inside the gripping track, because if you have like hair hanging over and you comb, it's going to pull from the scalp. So you just want to make sure all that hair is in the gripping tracks, and hold this hand against the scalp and comb. And you don't have to worry. You'll get pulling and tugging, but it's not going to pull out from the grips. And just work until they're done. And that's it.